In this lecture, we will see how to create 3D practice exercise 5. You can see here elevation view, side view, top view and 3D view. This is the length 80 mm and width is 120 mm. This is 120 mm. Height is 95. Go to here, click here new, select here 3D practice, then click here open. It will open like this. Then go to the model, select here 0 layer, select here southeast isometric, select here top. You don't want to do it this all the thing again and again. If you need it again and again, you can save this one template. Just go to here save as. You can go to the save as template. Just go to here, that is better. Just go to the save as, select here template. Directly it will go to the template folder. Save, select this one. You can save it here, save, yes, it will replace, then click OK. Now if you close this one, then go to the new, you can select this one, click open, you will get it everything perfect. You can see you will get it this one 0 layer, and here also you will get it top everything. Now we can start this one. See here, we need to make it a box for 80 mm length, and here it is 120 mm. Just go to here, select here box, click any location, select here length, make it 80, then press enter. Make it here width 120, then press enter. Next we need to make it height, it is 95. Make it height 95, then press enter. It is ready. If you go to the top view, you can see very clearly this is our box. Select here southeast, you can see here. Next we need to make it this one, this area we need to cut and remove this area. This is from this location 25, from here it is 25, and from this location it is 20. Go to here, select here copy edges, select this edge, press enter, click here, make it like this 25, then press enter. Press escape key, just go to the copy edges again, click this edge, then click here, make it like this 20, then press enter. Press escape key, just go to the press pull, click this face and click here, it is removed. Select this all the 2D lines, delete it. Next we need to make it, you can see here this cutout we need to make it for 20 radius. Just go to here, select here circle, click here, make it 20, then press enter. Press escape key, just go to here press pull, click here, we can remove like this. Select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this one, that one outer diameter, you can see diameter 50. Go to here, then select here front, you will get it x and y like this. This is our working plane. Then go to here, select here cylinder, click here, make it like this 25, radius 25, diameter is 50, 25 radius. Then we need to make it this one length also it is 50, make it 50, then press enter. It is ready. Next we need to move that one downside 35. You can see here it is 35. Now we place this location, we need to move this one 35. Just go to here, select this one, go to the move command, click any location, make it like this 35, then press enter. It is ready. Next select here union, select these two things, then press enter. Now it is union, it is one component. Next we need to make it this hole for diameter 30, it is radius 15. Just go to here, select here circle, just go near to this, click this center point, make it radius 15, diameter 30. Press enter, then go to the press tool, click here, remove this one, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this chamfer 5 mm, both the direction 5 mm, horizontally 5 mm, vertically also 5 mm. Then go to here solid and select here chamfer edge, select here distance, make it distance 1 5, and distance to also 5, then press enter. Select this edge, then press double enter. It is created. Next we need to make it this fillet and this fillet for radius 10. You can see here this fillet also radius 10. You can see here this fillet and this fillet and this fillet, everything radius 10. Just go to here, select here fillet edge, select here radius, make it 10, then press enter. Select this edge, press double enter. Press enter, repeat the same tool, select this one, press double enter. Press enter, repeat the same, press double enter. It is created. Next we need to arrange this drawing inside layout. Just go to the layout and select here layout tab and select here base from model space. Click here and press enter and click here and go to this location, place it like this and place it like this, press enter. It is ready. Select this one, go to here edit view. You can choose here shaded with visible lines. You can see here, then you can see you will get it like this line, but I didn't given that line. If you want to remove that line, select this one, go to here edit view. You will get it like this selection option. You can go to the visibility, then select here tangent edge, select here no. Now you can see the tangent lines are removed. Then click OK. It is ready. Next you can see here the scale. It is 1:1.5. You can see here the scale. We need to arrange the same scale. Select this one and click here, make it 1:1.5. Now everything arranged perfectly. Next we can create the dimensions. Very simply we can create the dimension. We have only one difference, this radius dimension. Other all the thing linear dimensions only. Just go to here annotate, select here dimension layer. You can select here linear, click here and click here, make it like this. Similar way you can create all the dimensions. You can go to here, make it a radius, click here, you can make it a radius dimension. Next you can see here I made diameter 50 and diameter 30 also. Just go to here, select here linear, click this endpoint and click this endpoint and click here. You will get it like this, but we need it this diameter symbol. For that, double click this dimension. You will get it like this. Then percentage C. Press shift and press percentage in your keyboard. Then type C in your keyboard. You will get it diameter symbol. Then click outside, or you can go to the symbol. In this you can see various types of symbol. You will get it which one you want. You can use it. You can see percentage C for diameter and percentage D for degree, and plus or minus you can make it percentage phi. Which one you want you can select here also, or you can type that one percentage C. You will get it diameter symbol. Then click outside. You can see here. Similar way you can create here also. Just go to here linear, click here and click here, place it like this. Double click this one, make it percentage C diameter symbol. You will get. Then click outside. You can see here. Similarly, you can create other all the dimensions. We don't have any difference. You can make it a radius dimension, linear dimension, everything you can create. Similarly, you can create here also this drawing number. Double click this one. You can change the drawing number, make it here 5. Then click OK. Similar way you can make it this also. It is 5. Click OK. Make it this also, make it 5, then click OK. The scale it is same. You can save that one. Just go to here save, go to the desktop 3D practice, make it here exercise number 5 and save it. If you want to print the drawing, just go to the print, this all the thing keep as it is, then click OK. You can go to the desktop, make it here 3D practice, make it here exercise number 5 and save it. You will get it the PDF. If you want to open PDF, you can go to here, select this one. You can see here what we created the PDF.